video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful healthy fruits. This beautiful color used in the healthy fruits. Dun-dun-dun. Dark green color in leaves. Lemon leaves. Strawberry leaves. Yellow color in lemon.
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D.
Lemon is the full source of vitamin C. Red color in strawberry.
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Light green color in pear. Wow! Red color in cherry. Purple color in grapes. I like the purple grapes. Good for health. Brown color in kiwi. Yellow color in banana. Red color in apple. All healthy fruits are ready. I like the healthy fruits. Kids, which is your favorite fruits? Wow! Kids, our beautiful healthy fruits with beautiful color is ready. Subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.